Has it ever crossed your mind that why should we have competitive sports at all? We can play in our backyard, we can run in our backyard and go home, be happy. Why we have competitive sports at such a big level? Olympics, the World Cups, millions and millions of dollars spent there. While I was doing my reading on this, I came across a very interesting fact. One of the possible origin of the word compete is in late Latin competere, hope I am pronouncing it right, which means striving together for a common goal. When I read this, it suddenly changed my complete perspective. So here we all are striving together to reach certain goal. And if we go by the Olympics motto, faster, stronger, higher. This is and in our daily lives also the same. So better our competition, more the chances of being better than what we are now. And this is very clear. If you look at the statistics, just I have written above also, Usain Bolt broke the record in the Olympics, and not only him, all the other competitors through the hits to the semi-final to the final, they continuously improved their timings and then he hit the world record. Sunil Gavaskar was the first person to make 10,000 runs in Test cricket history. Of course, there will be somebody who will cross him over, and Sachin did. After Sachin, there will be somebody else who will be crossing it over. So we must compete if we want to be better than what we are now. And if we just go by the Latin word again, striving together. So why we are competing? We are competing not with the intent of outsmarting others, but with the intent of making everybody better than what we are now, which is also true practically. So we were students in classes, and then we gave the entrance exam for engineering colleges. Some of us came, so all of them who passed the exam came there. So now there is again a competition, but the level is higher. After that, we went for the campus interviews. Again, those who passed then came into the campus and in the colleges now, and in the industry now. In the industry, it's a pyramid, so there is a competition to go higher and higher up the ladder. So if we take competition in that spirit, I think workplace will also be a wonderful place to be. So let's compete hard also in our workplaces, either for that reward, either for that promotion, either for gaining that competence in that technology, maybe the first person to do it. Let's compete hard again with the intent of making everybody in the competition better than what we are now, rather than with the mindset of outsmarting somebody. Let's make workplace fun again.